seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Okay, so welcome to the second set of our business presentation, and I am your presenter today. And bago ko po i-introduce yung aking sarili, although I know most of you kilala nyo na po ako, so I would like to wish everyone and be in the mode of action this month of June. You have to jumpstart, initiate action. So ang word natin for this month is action, dahil anong meron sa month na to? Well, we are now on our second wave, no? So be in front of the wave, take initiate action. So kailangan nating a lot of action. No more motivation dahil over-motivated na tayo. So we have to move into action, and we have to unleash our potential. So ilabas niya ang yung mga inner strength, yung inyong mga skills dyan. If you don't have it yet, then develop one. Navigate challenges. If you have a rough month last month, okay lang po yan, because ang good news is that we could have the opportunity to start to refresh and be challenged, no? So if ever nabawasan ang inyong organization, that's okay. You have to realize na ang binibigay po natin is a value. No, and when we know that we are giving value, so we can be rest assured sa sarili natin na we are creating something, we are creating an impact, and we are making a difference to the world. So navigate those challenges, manage those challenges. Let's be matured enough to handle all those challenges para tayo ay mag-thrive, para tayo ay mamayagpag. And of course, very important, this month of June, we have to execute. At hindi lang execution per se, but we have to execute effectively and effectively. Okay, so, yun po. That's my wish for you this month, no? Yan. Okay, and I am your presenter, a little a little about me. I am Maria Jeanette Sajonas. Siyempre, regular attendees na po kayo. So, konti lang, ang sasabihin ko, I have a background in the broadcasting, a former anchor and promotions sa Sky TV, and then nag-work tayo sa corporate world, sa telecommunication company. Currently, I am now in Toronto, Canada, being in the healthcare industry. I'm working with seniors. I am doing Reiki as well. So rest assured that you will have positive energy in this Zoom call. Ayan. And currently, I am with Live Good, a platinum rank. And of course, syempre, going to diamond. Doon tayo dapat papunta, no? Yun talaga ang goal natin. So today, I will be discussing to you a very powerful company na nag-offer ng opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity, an opportunity na malamang, no, hindi na kayo makakita ng ganitong kaganda. So please stick around, be in the learning mode, stay tuned, ayan, and just listen to me. Yes, this is multi-level marketing, but kakaiba po ito because iba ang concept natin, no? Yung concept natin talagang first of its kind in this industry of network marketing. So, welcome to Live Good, the company that created the great disruption and shocked an industry. Ayan. So, ang good news about this company is the membership that pays. And please know na pag sinabi nating disruption, it is a positive word, especially when it connotes with innovation. No? Alam niyo naman, mabilis ang technology ngayon. Everything is fast-paced, so change is inevitable. We just have to embrace the change. And Live Good is a major change, a change that will change the industry of multi-level marketing. The goodness about our company, it is the membership that pays. Ayan. So first time na nangyari sa ganitong industriya dahil na-disrupt ang traditional model ng network marketing, no? Dahil kakaiba nga ang concept, ang model, and ang timing is very, very, ang tawag nito, on the right time. Sinasabi, or nangyari siya on the right time, at the right age, no? Dahil, alam niyo po, ngayon, ang nangyayari is people are resorting to affordable products. People are moving away from expensive things. So, ganito ang ginawang concept ng Live Good. It has to be aligned with what the consumer wants, what the buying habits of people, no? Ayan, dapat naka-align doon. Yan. And yes, welcome to the revolution. So sabi ng ating Director of Field Development, no, makikilala niyo po siya later on, the days of selling overpriced products just so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are finally over. So wala po tayong pag-uusapang overpriced products, price gouging, and all of those expensive products. So again, you will be seeing this company, this industry in a different light, in a different picture, because it has its own way of introducing the multi-level marketing. Ayan. Okay. So, yan. So, introducing Live Good. Ayan, very positive. Live good. Mabuhay ka ng tama, magandang buhay. Live and get out of debt. All of us want to get out of debt. Sino ba naman ang ayaw lumabas sa pagkakautang, right? So, Live Good. Sino siya? The first to market membership club in network marketing. No? Why membership club? And why a subscription model? Because this industry, membership or subscription-based model is the fastest growing business in the marketplace today. Sinabi nga kung gusto mong mag-thrive ang business mo, dapat naka-align siya sa kailangan ng tao. Hindi lang dahil yun ang uso, but because yun ang need ng mga consumers. Diba? Yan. So, ang membership actually is, nakikita nyo na, it's all over the place. It's even in your cell phone. Tignan nyo lang ang inyong App Store or Play Store, andyan na. Why people are resorting to memberships? Because it gives you convenience, it saves you time and money, it gives you exclusivities, it gives you loyal points or any freebies, no? Yan. So, naka-align ngayon doon, nakita ng corporate team na maganda pala ang membership. And if you're going to check on Google, no, i-research nyo kung ano ang future ng mga subscription-based companies, it is on upward trajectory. So again, membership business or membership marketing is the future of commerce. Ayan. So Live Good is the company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model, and it is the membership that pays. Bakit broken itong model na to? Because usually ang traditional model, no, ganito yan eh. The concept of this industry is leveraging. The concept is i-build mo siya ng 2 to 3 years and then you will get your solid residual income. But ang nangyayari sa traditional is nakafocus na in recruitment, nakafocus na in selling products, nakafocus na ng naghahabol ng points every month, volume. So, nawawala yung true essence ng ganitong industry, which is empowerment, which is well-being, wellness, and of course, support system. Ayan. So, yun ang finifix ng Live Good ngayon. Okay? So, ang ating membership club has no monthly auto-ships. We can order what we want when we want at almost cost price. Wala tayong hinahabol na ranks and volume dito every month. At hindi tayo nag-i-start from zero every month. And what's more, hindi po tayo mag-i-start sa thousands. No? Yan. So wala tayong heavy entry packs. Wala tayong product packages. And pag naintindihan niyo ang concept ng ating company at ang ating concept ng membership club and subscription-based na model, then you don't have a room to quit. Ayan. Okay. So again, conditional yun ha. Pag naintindihan nyo ang concept ng Live Good, hindi ko kayo mag-quit dito sa membership club na to. And of course, I want you to meet the people behind the company dahil napaka-importante po, leadership. Sabi nga, everything rise and fall on leadership. So I have to establish that we have a very good corporate team, starting off with the brainchild of the company, Ben Glinsky, the CEO and the founder, the genius of the company, expert yan sa compensation plan, consultant yan ng iba't ibang companies, no? Ayan. So, and of course, ang experience niya nasa 25 years. And the trust, I established the trust sa kanya. Why? Because I've tried his headship, yung leadership niya. I joined his previous company before and nakita ko, napakaganda, in place lahat ng system, wala kaming delay sa payouts. And he was just so saddened dahil dun niya nakita lang na yung traditional model is no longer aligned with what is going on with people. It's hurting people. It's hurting a single mom kung saan gusto lang magkaroon ng extra income. So she walked out from this industry again. He walked out from this industry, pero he made sure that his distributors are well taken care of. So kinausap niyang isang company na nag-handle pa rin or nag-operate pa rin under the traditional MLM, and doon niya ipinagkatiwala ang mga distributors, no? So given that, so makikita natin that he takes care of his distributors. Yan. So he is a man of integrity, he has passion, and he really helped people win. Of course, with the collaboration of Noder Kazan, ang kanyang laging business partner sa iba't ibang company, no? He also has a huge experience pagdating sa ganitong industriya. And for your information, sila po ay network marketers. So, alam po nila ang puso ng mga network marketers, alam nila yung mga challenges, alam nila ang sakit ng mga traditional MLM. So, with the collaboration, so talaga namang they arrive in the concept of membership club dahil yun nga ang nakita nilang in demand ngayon. Yan. So Noder Kazan is our Director of Field Development and the co-founder. Okay, so yung experience nila pag pinag-combine mo, roughly nasa more or less 50 years. Okay, so imagine, pag nakita mo na ganyan nagpapatakbo sa company, then you can be rest assured na alam na nila ang ginagawa nila, di ba? Ayan. Okay, and with the synergy of Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodkin, no? So Lisa has a background of science and nutrition, while Dr. Ryan has a doctorate degree sa pharmacy. At the same time, may background siya as a natural health practitioner. So sila din, ang passion nila is, especially Dr. Ryan, no? Ang passion ni Dr. Ryan is to formulate products for his family to use, and he is sharing it with us. So rest assured, ang mga prices ng products natin are not commercialized, but again, nasa highest quality. So malalaman niyo later on yan pag diniscuss natin yung product. And si Lisa, she lives it. Like, kung naghahanap kayo ng taong healthy, has a healthy lifestyle, kung gusto niyo ng tao kausapin about healthy diet, ano dapat ang ipasok sa katawan mo, then Lisa is the go-to person. Yan. So, napaka-supportive, very responsive, very visible ang ating corporate team. So, given the synergy of this four founders and co-founders, no, talagang we could be rest assured that we are in good hands. Yeah. Okay, so Live Good has launched in December 2022 sa Jupiter, Florida, and there are more than 1 million members. Actually, 1.3 million members na po tayo. That is why we rock this industry. And for your information as well, sa first year po, nag-pay out po ang Live Good ng $50 million just on its first year. And to note, yung ating members na 1.3 million, no? Alam niyo po, never in the history of this industry na nagkaroon ng 1.3 million members on its first year. Yan. And we are rapidly growing. Actually, every minute talaga ang dami nagjo-join, no? Yan. So that's one good thing. So bakit kaya? Well, there must be something good with Live Good, di ba? Yan. So kung makikita niyo po, why membership? We have, gaya ng sabi ko po, makikita niyo na sa inyong app store and even in the social media, yung mga membership club na yan or subscription-based company, ano ang common sa kanila? We pay monthly or yearly, and then we get the benefits. Ano yung benefits natin? Savings, perks, ano pa? Additional, ang tag nito, additional points or maybe additional, may mga promo pa yan. At syempre, yung mga advantages and features. And I would like to mention yung ginagamit natin ngayon, uunahin ko na dahil wala dito, no? So itong Zoom actually is one subscription-based company kung saan magko-connect tayong lahat. Now, if we don't pay every month, no? I mean, Coach Fernan, siya ang nag-subscribe nito. Kung hindi po nagbabayad si Coach Fernan or hindi nag-subscribe ng monthly or hindi siya naka-plan, then madidisconnect tayo every 45 minutes. So, yun, no? Ngayon, since he subscribed monthly, ayan, unlimited po, pwede tayo mag-usap, and we could accommodate up to 1,000 participants sa Zoom call. Yan. Pero kung hindi tayo nakasubscribe yan and we only get the free, syempre very limited. I think it's only 100 tapos paputol-putol tayo. So nawawala yung momentum natin pag nagdi-discuss tayo. So that's one advantage nung ganitong subscription-based model, no? So YouTube, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, may advertisement yan. Pero pag naka-YouTube Pro ka, wala kang advertisement, right? Amazon Prime. So pag Amazon Prime member ka, iba yung perks din. Same-day delivery, tapos may mga freebies din, no? May mga free ka na e-books na nakukuha as compared doon sa hindi ka nagbabayad ng subscription. So nakakatipid ka kasi hindi mo hinihintay yung book na i-deliver sa'yo because you could access it online. So may audiobook din siya. Yan, si Netflix, ano ang dinisrupt ni Netflix? Ang cinema. So time and convenience din. Hindi ka makakapanood ka ng movie, hindi nagkakaroon ng traffic. So dahil andun ka lang sa bahay, you could just subscribe to Netflix and you could watch at the comfort of your home, at the convenience of your home. Bumili ka lang ng pizza, ano yan, magpa-DoorDash ka or Uber Eats, then andyan yung buong family, komportable pa kayong nakahiga sa inyong sala, right? So those are the things na advantages, no, ng mga pagkakaroon ng membership, no? O Costco and Sam's Wholesale Club, syempre huge discount yan. I am a member of Costco for 8 years now at I will not give up on my membership. Bakit? Kahit na hindi ako every month grocery. Bakit? Dahil pag pumunta ako doon, talagang malaki na yung savings ko. One item alone, no? There was a time, ilang beses yan, na nag-purchase ako ng product doon within the promo period ng mga companies, 50% ang talagang difference, no? Pag not even 50%, na double pa yung price nung isa. Imagine, nakuha ko siya ng 69 and then nung wala na sa Costco, dinala na sa mall, na double yung price, $130 na. So, ganon ang mga perks pag merong kang membership club, no? Or naki-join ka sa isang membership club. Disney Channel, pareho din yan ng Netflix. So, ano ang common sa mga ganito? Nag-hit siya. Talagang it works. Nakita niyo yung mga members, 30 million, 200 million members, 232 million members. 47 million members, 123 million members, and 42 million members. So, kung titignan nyo, no, kung i-compare natin sa Live Good, we are just getting started. 1.3 million members pa lang tayo. So, ibig sabihin yan, marami pang room para i-share ang Live Good. And talagang once you experience this membership, hindi ka magdadalawang isip because you know that you are giving value. What created Live Good a revolution is the value, no? So today you are on a triple win. Bakit triple win? You're going to experience or you're going to hear how to save money, how to be healthy, and how to make money. Yan ang ibibigay ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay? So, kung si Amazon, kilala niyo si Amazon as a platform, online platform, nag-umpisa siya sa books in his own backyard, no? Kung si Amazon nag-umpisa sa books, no? And then ngayon, he has everything under the sun. I-check nyo, mag-type ka ng isang item, ang i-redirect sa'yo ni Google, Amazon, right? Yan, kung siya nag-start sa books, si Live Good nag-start sa wellness products. And not only wellness products, there are the products that is made with the highest quality, with the most purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facility. Meaning, yung mga products natin ay hindi basta-basta ginawa for the sake na gagawin lang for the sake na may product, no? Meron, of course, made in the USA, so rest assured na very safe yan at compliant tayo. Very strict ang US pagdating sa safety regulation, no? And certified by the GMP and USDA approved. So, pag GMP yan, it stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. It made sure na naka-qualify siya or nag-comply siya sa standards ng product, mga ingredient, standards ng mga tao, are they highly qualified sa processes, paano ginawa, sa procedure, kung may nagbago man dun sa process, dino-document ba, and of course, yung premises. So, nakakomply sila sa ganyang components, kaya tayo nabigyan ng certificate of GMP, no? Ayan, Good Manufacturing Product or Good Manufacturing Practice. And it is lab tested for purity and potency dahil meron tayong certificate of analysis, no? Naka-document lahat dyan kung ano yung product, ilan ang percentage, wala tayong proprietary blend, hindi tayo natatakot ma-reformulate, ma-duplicate, because exactly, sabi ni Ben, yun nga ang gusto natin, di ba? Yung marami ang mga taong avail ng mga products na affordable sa kanila na hindi mabubutas ang kanilang bulsa. Okay? So, yan. They don't worry about it because they know na hindi kayang tapatan ang presyo natin. So, our keyword, we have the highest quality products with the lowest price. So, hindi ibig sabihin na porque affordable yung products natin at mababa, hindi ibig sabihin na nawawala ang quality. It is actually the other way around. We have the highest quality. Ayan. And ito pa, we also have the 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee, meaning pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung product, pwede mong ibalik, pwedeng i-refund sa'yo, no questions asked. Okay, for benefit of this presentation, magbabanggit tayo of the products and also a little information about them, but this is not a product knowledge presentation, no? Magbabanggit lang tayo para ma-appreciate, no, kung ano ang meron sa mga products natin. Starting off with our CBD Pain Relief Cream. Maganda ito for chronic pain. Main ingredient is cannabidiol from the cannabis species. We use hemp plant, hindi po marijuana. I'm pretty sure familiar kayo sa cannabis, no? So, dalawa yan. Parang magpinsan yan. Si hemp plant at saka si marijuana. But we did not use marijuana. We use hemp plant dahil low ang kanyang THC and at the same time, hindi po siya addictive. Okay, second product, energy and focus patches. Maganda ito. This is, ayan, natanggal yung patch ko pala. Okay, maganda ito for focus and if endurance, and if you are that person na laging paggising pa lang pagod na, nanghihina na, or feeling mo parang hindi ka, parang ang dami-dami mong ginawa pero nakakagising mo lang, then this one is good for you. It is also good for focus. If your nature of job is kailangan ng precision and focus, maganda po yan. Now, we have another product, the sleep patches. Kung ikaw naman ay nahirapang matulog, then this one is good for you. Patch lang siya, nilalagay sa wrist, nilalagay sa mga areas kung saan konti ang buhok. You could put it on your shoulder, sa hip mo, sa ankle mo. Ayan. Okay? So, third product, we have the collagen peptide. Bakit nilagay ang collagen sa collagen peptide? Because alam niyo po, very important ang collagen supplementation, no? As we age, nadideplete yung collagen natin, and alam niyo ba na ang collagen is the most abundant protein sa katawan natin? Collagen comes from the Greek word kolla, which means glue. So ibig sabihin, ang collagen, it is the glue that holds your body together. Okay, na habang nag-age ka, syempre, nadideplete siya. So, ano nangyayari? Nagkakaroon ng brittle bones, nagkakaroon ng brittle nails, nagkakaroon ng sagging skin, nagkakaroon ng crow's feet, nagkakaroon ng hair fall. So, kailangan mag-supplement tayo as early as around early 20s. No? Ang maganda sa collagen natin, it is hydrolyzed, madaling i-absorb ng katawan. It is collagen peptides dahil it has to be broken down to amino acids, and ang ginamit is type 1 and type 3. For your information, there are 28 types of collagen, but it uses type 1 and type 3 bovine source, yung collagen na nanggaling sa beef. Bakit? Dahil yun ang malapit sa collagen, sa human collagen. No? We have our own natural collagen, yun yung nagdi-deplete as we age. Now, again, bakit bovine? Dahil yun ang pinakamalapit sa human collagen. So with us using collagen, well, it is inevitable na tayo ay tatanda, magmamature, no? So it is inevitable. Ang ginagawa ng collagen is to delay aging. So anong kagandahan niyan? Of course, the effect is for us to age gracefully. Masarap mag-mature or mag-age na wala kang sakit at wala kang nararamdaman, right? So right now, we are at this age na bumababa ang ating lifespan as early as 50. Actually, marami na akong mga kabatch na nagpaalam na. Why? Because we live in a toxic world. Because we live in a fast-paced world where we don't care anymore kung anong pinapasok sa katawan natin. So it is important, again, that we have to supplement. I want you to know that health is non-negotiable. Health is not a passing trend. Hindi porke uso ang magpaka-healthy. No, health is a commitment to yourself. Okay, moving forward, yung next product natin is methylene blue nootropic dissolving strips. Maganda po ito for cognitive function. No, it targets the mitochondria cell, kung saan yung mitochondria cell mo is the powerhouse cell, no? So maganda ito sa ating brain, no? Alam niyo naman, pag bumigay ang iyong brain, nako po, it affects your motor skills, no? Pag brain function, pag brain mo na ang naapektuhan, nako po, everything else follows, pati yung swallowing mo, pati everything. Why I know that? Well, I work with seniors and mostly na nakikita ko are dementia patients, no? Dementia residents. And alam nyo ba na as early as 45, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng dementia ngayon? Bakit? Dahil nga, alam nyo po, our brains is composed of, alam nyo po, may brain waves din tayo, no? And alam nyo naman ang technology, di ba? May mga waves din yan. Lalo na ngayon, nasa 5G na tayo. So too much exposure to radiation affected ang brain natin. So kailangan meron tayong something to combat that para ma-lessen yung radiation or alam niyo yon, ma-minimize o ma-minimize yung radiation sa katawan na pumapasok sa atin. That's why we need the methylene blue neurotrophic dissolving strips. Every other day siya tinitake under the tongue. Pwede mong i-dilute sa water or use a straw or you could just simply put it there under your tongue and then magpaaraw ka ng konti sa sunlight every other day, no? Ayan. Okay, we also have creatine and HMB. Creatine po ito ha. Iba po yung creatinine. It's creatine, no? Take note. Creatine plus HMB, maganda ito for muscle recovery. And of course, pag nagre-recover ka sa mga problema mo sa iyong muscles, sa joints, this is very good. Okay, maganda to for male and female. It is good. Again, pwede siya sa daily. Ayan. Okay, so what's more? Ayan, essential oils. Ito naman ang maganda ito, no, for our for our hormones, no. Yung hormone natin is the messenger of our body, the messenger cell. Ito yung responsible sa pag gutom ka na, it is your hormone, hunger hormone na sinasabing, oy, kumain ka na. At pag nalulungkot ka, yun yung meron ding isang hormone na magsasabing, ayan, nalulungkot ka, hanggang mamaya maiiyak ka. So, meron ka ding happy hormone, di ba? Yun, ang dami. So, this one, the essential oils triggers our hormone. There is something in these essential oils that would just lift up your spirit para gumanda ang mood mo. Just the scent that could also relieve headaches, migraine, or even anxiety, no? Ayan. So, ang essential oils natin is aromatical. Merong diffuser. Lagyan mo lang, i-dilute mo ng water. I-dilute mo sa water and then maamoy mo na siya. Nako, ang bango ng space mo. Maiiba yung mood mo. Kaya yun yung ginagamit ng mga spa, also in aromatherapy. I use that as a Reiki practitioner, no, for meditation too, para gumanda. Once you are, alam niyo po yun, pag gumaganda yung iyong feeling, then it follows na ang na-attract mo are good things too. So maganda siya, aromatical, and oral, nagagamit din siya. Topical, pwede mo din siyang gamitin. Make sure you read the labels lang dahil highly concentrated siya. So you have to just be very careful using it. Ayan. So ang daming beneficial multitude of benefits. I mean, ang hormone ko ang ating essential oils. In fact, merong book na essential oils for hormone bliss. I have one and hindi ko pa siya natatapos basahin, no? So essential oils are really part of my daily daily life kasi gaya ngayon habang nakikinig kayo sa akin, naamoy ko yung aking yung essential oils na nilagay ko po, dinilute ko po sa water and water and yung essential oils sa diffuser natin. Okay, it also gives us energy. Yan. And of course, ito, lean ako. Ito na yung aking bagong BFF ngayon. Lean BCIF actually. It is for body composition improved formula. Maganda po ito for your body composition. Hindi siya nakafocus on weight loss, no? Pero nakafocus siya in body composition. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yes, it will help you lose weight dahil nabuburn yung fats mo pero hindi na-lose yung muscles, no? Yan. Ang maganda dyan, mapapansin mo, you will feel light and then mapapansin mo, kahit na hindi pa masyadong drastic yung yung measurement mo sa weight, ang kagandaan niya, nakikita mo, gumaganda yung forma ng katawan mo. And I could I am a perfect testament for that dahil ako po, nasubukan ko po siya talaga. Yan. Again, it does not focuses on weight loss, but it focuses on body composition. Kailangan tama po ang pagkaka-explain nyo, ha? Kasi iba pa po yung lalabas na weight loss products natin. Although this one can help lose weight, but the main goal is what? Body composition. Okay? Ayan. Yeah, magtutone ka. Yes, tama ka, Ma'am Pinky. Ano? Nakita mo na, magtutone ka, yung bewang mo liliit, yung bilbil mo hindi na kasing laki ng dati na nagsasag siya, and then i-confirm niya. Ay, nako po, talaga naman. Ayan. And by the way, patalastas lang po. Sabi, we have monthly earnings na. Yuhu! Ayan, happy payday. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga nakatanggap ng monthly bonuses natin. Andyan ang weekly kasama last week, and dyan yung ating matrix income, matching bonuses, and all other bonuses. So, everyone, happy payday. Nako, hindi ko makikita dahil nandito ako ngayon sa Zoom. But anyway, congratulations, everyone. Ayan. So, segue lang tayo. Ayan. So, kung kinumpare nyo po ito sa ibang products, well, you will be saving more than 70%, yung isa 66%. Ayan. Ayan po yung ating quality seals. Napakaganda. Andiyan na, no? Organic, cruelty-free, keto-friendly. Ako po, ang dami. Ayan. So, you would see that in our back office. And ito, kakaibang protein, no? Yung ating Live Good Whey Protein Isolate with colostrum. Nako, colostrum. Familiar sa word na colostrum. Di ba yun yung nakukuha na natin dun sa first milk ng ating mother, no? Maganda siya as antibiotic, maganda siya as antibacterial, and ito ang nilagay, colostrum ng beef, no? So bovine source pa rin siya, no? And maganda ito for gut health, no? Alam niyo po, ang karaniwang problema natin sa gut kasi yung nakakain natin, madalas may chemical, madalas may pesticides, madalas may herbicides. So, pag too much na, naiipon lahat yan sa ating gut, and then nagkaka-problema tayo. Kaya nga, we have this what you call gut cleansing. So, rest assured, yung ating whey protein, dahil merong ingredient dyan na nilagay si Dr. Ryan for the gut, well, it could cleanse your gut, and it is gut friendly dahil madali siyang i-digest, unlike yung mga ibang protein, napakahirap pong i-digest, no? With our Live Good Whey Protein Isolate with colostrum, napakadaling i-digest po ito, no? Yan. And for the mommies, we have the children's multivitamin, importante din ito for brain development. Yan. Siyempre, USDA certified yan. Andyan yung essential vitamins. Mayroong vitamin C and vitamin and zinc, no? So for immune support, naku po, palakasin nyo po ang mga katawan ng inyong mga anak, ng ating mga apo. Bakit? Kasi po, lalo na ngayon, tag-ulan na dyan, yung ating weather, no? Madali silang makasagap ng ubo at sipon. Okay. Hormonal balance for women, kailangan po natin to, mga kumare, ayan, lalo na po pag nasa age na po tayo ng nasa 40s to 50s, alam niyo po, nagkakaroon po kami ng hormonal imbalance. Kung minsan, bigla na lang kaming naiiyak ng hindi naintindihan, bigla na lang nagagalit ng hindi namin alam kung ba't kami nagagalit, no? Dahil yun sa aming hormones, nagkakaroon ng hormonal imbalance. So, maganda po ito for women who are experiencing, syempre, ayan, nakikita nyo naman sa ating menstruation, no? Ayan, and of course, sa atin na mas matured women, kailangan natin to as we approach the menopausal stage, no? Ayan. Okay, so bagong-bago yan. Okay. Whew. Na-excite ako dun sa Ayan. Okay, so hindi ko po binanggit lahat yung 30. I just mentioned a few for you to appreciate it. Actually, alam niyo po, yung mga products natin, wala tayong itulak kabigyan. Why? Dahil po, the formulator listened. He even encouraged na, ano sa tingin niyo ang magandang i-formulate natin? So, once the lumabas yung product, patok kaagad. Bakit? Dahil ang kinikreate nila, ang pinoformulate nila ay yung mga products na in demand. Okay, so how do we order the products? You could order as a consumer and as a member. Pag consumer ka, well, you could enjoy a low retail price, but syempre, mas mamamaximize mo ang product pag member ka dahil you would enjoy lower prices with the highest quality. O, di ba? Yan. Okay, so alam nyo ba na ang Live Good members can also save up to 75% pag kinumpare mo sa ibang products ng ibang company. Take note, it is 75% savings when compared to other products ng company. Hindi po tayo 75% off. Magkaiba po yun ha. We save 75% when compared to other products. Ayan. Sabi ni Coach Fernan, pag nasa Live Good ka, hindi iinit ulo mo kasi weekly may income ka and monthly income. Yes, tama po yun, totoo po yun. And alam nyo po, ito pa, no, bukod pa dun sa sinabi ni Coach Fernan, kung mainitin ang ulo mo, malamang marami kang toxin sa katawan. Kaya kailangan mag-detoxify ka with Live Good products. O, di ba? Yan. So, okay, para po maniwala kayo, no, na meron tayong 75% savings pag kinumpare mo sa iba. Tignan niyo po itong slide, no? Yan. Essential oils, $49.95 as compared sa ibang competitor, $209, $252, 76% and 80%. No, ayan. Super Greens, $18 pag kinumpare mo sa magagandang company. $70 and $100. Naku po, savings natin, 74 and 81%. And our Super Greens are the best greens. Kung hindi ka pala kain, you should try this one. May ashwagandha, may spirulina, no, natural antibiotic. We have moringa, merong miracle, yun yung miracle plant natin, di ba? We have aloe vera. Ang dami-dami niyan, no? So enjoy the Super Greens. Ayan, collagen. $28 versus $70 and $79, no? Or 80, having a savings of 65% and 60%. Ayan, and creatine, naku po, $20 versus 65 and 48, giving you a savings of 70 and 60%. Oh, imagine yan. Alam niyo po, pag na-appreciate niyo yung products natin, you would realize that as a dollar saved is a dollar earned, no? A dollar saved is a dollar earned. Siyempre, pag nakatipid ka ng 70%, 60%, 80%, hindi ka ba matutuwa? Dahil yung natipid mo, parang kita mo na rin. At pag pwede mo siyang gamitin para pambili ng ibang products or maybe pwede mong gamitin na pambili ng ibang kailangan mo sa bahay, di ba? You have to realize that a dollar saved is a dollar earned. So I hope you are taking notes as well dahil sabi nga, note takers are the money makers. Di ba? Ayan. Okay, so tapos na tayo, no? Dun po sa comparison sa ibang company. Now, mag-compare naman tayo sa member and retail price. Multivitamin for men and women, $9.95 ang member's price, 14.95 yung retail price. A savings of $5. Magkaiba ang vitamin ng men and women dahil magkaiba ang physiological need. Ang lalaki kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health at ang babae kailangan ng iron, more iron to compensate their menstrual losses. Ayan. So savings of $5 siya na. Isang product pa lang yan. Ayan. Okay, so what's more? Ito, yung ating organic coffee. Ako po, nagdadagsaan ng message. Tuwan-tawa ang mga diamond leaders. So, may payout na, sabi ni Coach Ryan. Ayan, so, kayo ha, iniinggit nyo ako, hindi ko makikita yung income eh. Ayan. Healthy, organic weight management coffee with mushroom. So, our coffee is the cleanest, purest, nako po, and chemical-free, toxin-free, dahil rest assured na na-manufacture siya ng malinis. If you saw yung post ko, no, trivia about coffee na it is the dirtiest product pala, ang coffee. And well, you try to find out yung binigay ni Ben na pag napaprocess siya, nasasamang napaprocess yung molds, nasasamang napaprocess yung basta. So, if you are drinking commercialized coffee, okay lang yan. Once, 2 times a month. But if you're taking it every day, naku po, yung inyong gut is at risk. So, kung ikaw ay coffee lover, do not just drink any coffee. Drink organic coffee from Live Good dahil yan ay mushroom coffee, 6 kinds of mushroom, at alam po natin na ang mushroom is the king of herbs. Ayan. Okay, kayo talaga, magtigil na kayo. Oo, happy payday. Dami nag-chat sa akin, wow, Coach Ed, meron ng payout. Okay, so moving forward, Ultra Magnesium Complex, napaka-importante ang magnesium sa ating katawan, no? It is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in our body. At pag kayo'y kinulang sa magnesium at pag kayo'y depleted sa magnesium, it would lead to serious illnesses like high blood pressure, diabetes, heart problem, and migraine, and so on and so forth. Kaya let this be a part of your daily supplement with for only $8.95 as members price. Sa retail price, $14.95 lang. Alam niyo po kung magkano yan sa ibang company, no? Or in the market, naku po, libo po yan. I-research nyo na lang po. Okay, we have CBD oil for pets. Merong for humans, for pets, dahil ang CBD oil is good for anxiety, for anti-depression ang CBD. So, nadi-distress din ang mga pets natin, kaya kailangan din nila. 14 versus $20. And our next product, D3K2, the Sunlight Vitamin, good for weight loss, good for immune support, 8.50 lang. Versus yung retail price, $13.95 or $14 pag ni-round off, no? Ayan, so makikita nyo anong meron sa mga products. Basically, each product nakakatipid ka ng $5 to $8. So alangan naman na kumuha ka ng paisa-isa lang. Sayang naman ang iyong shipping fee, di ba? Ngayon, kung ayaw mo ng may shipping fee, you could go for this one. The International Wellness Pack. Free shipping worldwide. Kung gusto mo ma-experience yung product, go for the International Wellness Pack for only $89.95 as member. And sa retail price, $129.95, giving you a savings of $40. Yan, 40 times, magkano na ngayon? 60. That's a savings of 2,400 pesos. Pang grocery mo na yan. Again, free shipping siya. So if you want to experience the products and its effects sa'yo, then go for the International Wellness Pack. Okay? Lahat niyan, binanggit na natin kanina, the multivitamins, super greens, maganda siya sa katawan. Of course, pag hindi ka nagkakakain, go for the super greens, super reds, maganda po yan for cardiovascular health. Kailangan po natin yan dahil as we age, nako po, nagdi-deplete ang ating nitric oxide, so affected yung ating circulation, no? Nagiging kinukulang tayo din sa oxygen. So napaka-importante pong gamitin yan, no? Factor 4, anti-inflammation product natin, the first ever product na meron sa market na pinag-combine ang 4 na anti-inflammatory ingredients, no? Fish oil, curcumin, garlic oil, ano pa yung isa? CoQ10, no? CoQ10, ayan. So, CoQ10, ayan. Alam niyo po, binibenta yan pa isa-isa. But, with Live Good, pinagsama-sama yan. Kaya, nako po, talagang ito yung superstar ko. Ito, si Collagen. Actually, lahat na sila superstar eh. But this one, I highly recommend po dahil alam niyo po, lahat ng sakit nag-uumpisa sa inflammation. At alam naman natin na ang inflammation nanggagaling saan? Sa loob. Hindi mo nakikita na kadalasan kahit sa x-ray, kahit sa ultrasound, hindi natin nakikita. So might as well use it, no? If there are some irregularities, kung may nararamdaman ka na hindi maganda, naku po, prevent it. Prevention is, anong sabi? Prevention is better than a pound of cure, di ba? Ayan. So, kailangan maging proactive tayo even sa health natin dahil, well, you have to experience life. Life is beautiful. You have to look at life as beautiful, no? Yan. Remember, we only have two options, or we could opt to be happy or we could opt to be lonely. So might as well choose to be happy, di ba? Ayan. Life is just an option. Ayan. Okay, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Okay, so I want you to take note of that savings sa $40 dahil ito, may patutunguhan to later on pagdating sa membership natin. No? Ayan, so how to become a Live Good member? Simple lang, you just have to sponsor with your sponsor's link. Who is your sponsor? Yung nagdala sa'yo dito, yung nagpatikim ng coffee, or maybe niregaluhan ka ng isang product ng Live Good. Ayan. Okay, so siya ang sponsor mo and you only need to pay $9.95 per month. No? $9.95 per month. Yes, that is your subscription fee. Why? For you to have an access of affordable and huge discount, no? And pag yearly, which I highly recommend, kung kakaririn mo din lang na dapat lang na i-career mo ang maging healthy ka, because health is the new wealth, no? Yan. Although, old saying na yan, pero i-stress ko, ngayon kailangan nyo pong maging healthy dahil it was already taken for granted. Kaya ngayon, health is the new wealth. Ayan. Pag nagbayad ka ng 1 year, no? Pag nagbayad ka ng $99.95, libre na yung 2 months mo. Pag monthly kasi, $9.95, pag 1,220 yan. Pag one time mong binayaran, well, yung yearly na sinasabi, no, $99.95 lang. So, done na yung 1 year mo, which is for 2 months as compared pag monthly mo siya binabayaran. Diba? And, well, you will get an access and buy the products at wholesale price. Ayan. Nakita nyo naman, no? $9.95 per month, $10. Okay, babalik tayo dun sa last na slide. Ilan ang savings uli? $40 dun sa International Wellness Pack. Ngayon, kung hindi ka nag-member, di ba, magkano 139, di ba? Yan. Ngayon, pag member ka, 89 lang, 90. So, may savings kang 40. Magkano yung sabihin na natin, pinang-member ko yung 10. Di bawi ka pa rin dahil may $30 ka pa rin, di ba? So, let us be wise or even wiser. Ngayon talaga ang buhay diskarte, but you have to make sure na yung diskarte mo syempre positive and wala tayong nasasaktan na tao. Diba? Ayan, so I'm done with the first part. Okay? So second part naman, okay, merong opportunity, no, with our membership. So bukod doon sa pagiging member mo, you could have the opportunity to earn $2,000 or more per month. So anybody who wants to earn $2,000 or more sa ating company, please type 1, no, para we could continue. If you are still interested in learning how to earn this much, then let me know. So we could proceed. Ayan. So maraming salamat po sa mga nag-type. Ma'am Eden, Ma'am Pinky, ayan. Maraming salamat. And hello, Ma'am Michelle. Thank you. And Ma'am Linda, salamat po. Okay, so let's proceed. Huwag na nating patagalin, no? Okay, so ang Live Good is a membership club na may naka-attach na affiliate program. So pag merong naka-attach na affiliate program, ibig sabihin may negosyo. Now, it's all up to you kung gusto nyong gawin yung negosyo or not. But if you are that person who is looking for a side hustle, kung ikaw yung taong naghahanap ng ibang pagkakakitaan, or maybe just working on your retirement, as savings in the future, as solid residual income, o kaya gusto mong mag-iwan ng legacy sa iyong pamilya, then this is for you. So listen closely be in the learning mode. Ibig sabihin nun, dapat open ka sa mga ideas, open ka sa mga information. When I say that, be in the learning mode, no? Ayan. So, wala munang nega, just listen to me. Another, 20 minutes dahil magpo-focus tayo on the 3 important parts, okay? So, ayan. So, being an affiliate member, you have 2 options. Go with the first option, $49.95 or $140 pag ni-round off mo yan, $139.95. Yung $40, one time yan, whether option 1 or option 2. And then yung $9.95 doon sa $49.95, yun yung first month membership mo or first month subscription mo. And then, yung second option is yung 1 year. Again, kung gusto mong i-career ang Live Good, go with the second option, which is $139.95. Para done na tayo, we will be focusing on driving the sales. We will be focusing on sharing the business, no? Pag sinabi nating sales, we are talking about sharing the business. You are not required to sell. Pero hindi din kayo pipigilan ng Live Good na magbenta. It is your option to sell. Okay? But you are not required, but you can sell. It is an option. Okay? Nasa sa iyo kung gusto mong magbenta. Pero hindi siya required. Okay, ngayon, pag nag-avail ako or pag naging part ako ng affiliate program, ano ang makukuha ko? Siyempre, number 1, the access to membership club, the discounts, right? You save 75% pag kinumpare mo sa ibang products. And then, digital marketing products. Siyempre, level up na po tayo. No? Wala tayong physical products. Bakit? Dahil pinaghiwalay ang compensation plan sa products. Okay? Ayan. So, ano yung mga digital marketing products na yan? Unang-una, may website ka. Sarili mong website. Personal website kung saan meron kang 3 replicated website, which is your corporate site, your retail site, and of course, yung Tourlink site mo or your franchising website. So, yung corporate site, yun yung retail and members price, makikita mo dyan. Yung retail site mo, yun yung dropshipping website mo. So, ibig sabihin, para kang merong sariling Lazada shop, Shopee shop, Amazon shop. Kasi personalized yan, no? Ayan. So, kung halimbawa, no, ayan, yung personal website mo, gusto mong i-share to. May mga tao na mga kumari ka na ayaw mag-member, pero gustong bumili. Then you could just share it. Live Good, shoplivegood.com. /Jacqueline Serras. Yan. Kaya, yan. So, shoplivegood.com/Gemma Barameda. Oh, yung mga ganyan. Personalized, di ba? Total, di ba? Ayan. And of course, the third website, which is your franchising site. Bakit natin sinabing franchising site? Because para ito sa mga case system mo, your kakilala system. No? Kahit na hindi kakilala, no? Kahit na stranger, pwede mong i-share because of the power of social media, no? Every person na pinag-sharean mo can be your franchise, no? But hindi mo kailangan ng million. We are talking about 3,000 or 8,000 pag kinonvert mo yung 49.95 or 140. No? Can you imagine, andyan ka sa Pilipinas or anywhere in the world, no? Andyan ka, but then you could expand your business in 230 countries. Kaya nasa Japan ka, nasa Israel, nasa Kuwait, nasa Saudi, nasa Netherlands, nasa Ireland, nasa Canada, nasa US, pwede kang mag-expand worldwide without leaving your home, without even traveling. So that's the power of our Tourlink site, of our franchising site. Hindi ba nakaka-amaze? It is very powerful. If you would really appreciate yung ating franchising site, and why am I excited? I don't know anybody in Vietnam. Pero because of Champ Roll na niraya niya ang isang leader ng Vietnam, Vietnam has exploded. So ganun po ka-powerful ang system natin. So level up po tayo. And third benefit, you have the opportunity to participate in the compensation plan. Napaka-simple, napaka-powerful, and napaka-generous. Ayan. And ang ating commission, paano natin matatanggap? Sa bank mo. If you do not have your bank, may crypto wallet ka ba? If you do not have your crypto wallet, meron dashboard, naka-ready na po yung ating credit wallet dyan. May wallet tayo sa loob. Janet, pag may wallet sa loob, paano kung may encash yan? Simple lang. You just have to reach out to anybody na nangangailangan ng credit wallet and then i-convert yun. Ipapadala sa iyong GCash, ipapadala sa iyong whatever forms, no, na pwedeng pagpadala ng pera. That's how flexible our payout system is, no? Aralin nyo lang talaga, naku po. Okay, compensation plan natin, very powerful. Do you have a dream? Yes or no? Meron ba kayong pangarap? I'm sure meron. Kaya nga po kayo andito, sticking with me, right? Yan, so if you have a dream, you have to build a team. Meron tayong team building structure, unilevel and a force matrix. Unilevel kung saan doon yung ranks, matching a fast start and matching bonuses. And then, eto, meron din tayong force matrix na 2x15. Mag-umpisa tayo lahat sa 2x12. Spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come first serve basis. Hybrid siya, no? So, dalawa ang ating genealogy, the unilevel tree and a matrix tree. So, very powerful yan when combined. OMG, I don't know kung hindi pa kayo nag-e-excite habang ako ay nag-e-explain. Yan, so 8 ways to earn tayo. Weekly fast start, matching bonuses, matrix commission, retail commission, influencer bonuses, customer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Ayan, so bibilisan natin. Ayan, so mag-concentrate tayo on the 3 buckets, which is the weekly fast start, matching bonuses, matrix commission. All the rest, dadaanan lang natin. Okay, number 1, fast start. Ito yung nakukuha natin weekly, kaya tinatawag na fast start. For every person na niyaya mo, shinare mo ang iyong tour link, no, yung franchising site mo, you will get $25 bonuses. Okay, one time, $25 bonus for every person na na-sharean mo at nag-enroll, okay? Nag-lock in, nag-enroll, nag-register, whether $49.95 or $139.95. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Pag-apat, $25 times 4, that's $100. Kailangan ba, Janet, tapusin ko yung 4? No, it's all up to you. Pero syempre, the more, the merrier, the more commission. Diba? Ganun lang po yan. Okay, so you could do the business at your own time, at your own speed. Ayan. Number 2, on the fast start bonuses pa rin, meron tayong mga ranking up dito. We start with the unranked, and then we go bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Ang first rank natin, bronze. How easy to go bronze? You just have to share it with 2 people. No, 2 of your favorite humans in the planet. No? 2 lang. Okay? Bronze ka na agad. Okay. Ngayon, pag bronze ka, na-open yung level 2 mo na additional $5. So, di ba, direct, for every directly sponsored, $25. Paano yung level 2 mo? So, syempre, 2 yan. And then, yung 2 yan, gagayahin ka. Aba, gusto ko ding maging bronze. So, once na nag-sponsor sila, then may $25 sila. But, ikaw, dahil bronze ka na-open yung level 2 mo, meron kang additional $5 dahil nasa level 2 mo na sila, pero hindi mo sila kinausap directly, right? So, overriding match, a fast start bonus yan. So, as you rank up, well, lumalaki yung iyong fast start bonuses, no? Na-open yung level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hanggang 10 levels deep tayo. So, depende yan sa rank mo. On how much you will be getting sa fast start, nakadepende yan sa rank mo. Siyempre, the higher you rank up, the more fast start bonuses you will have. Okay, so again, hindi po yan guarantee of income. Ang resulta magkakaiba and rank qualifications apply. Number 2, matrix commission. We are all placed in a big matrix, but then we have our individual matrices. Right? So, ikaw po, merong sariling matrix as well as yung mga direct mo. Ngayon, ikaw po ito, mag-concentrate po tayo sa iyo. Okay, so ang matrix commission, is at 0.25 cents, no? Or quarter of a dollar from each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. So meron kang sariling matrix. Lahat ng mga taong papasok sa matrix mo, whether galing sa'yo or hindi, at nagsusubscribe ng 9.95, binibigyan ka ng 0.25 cents. How is that? No? It is 14 pesos, no? Retirement money siya. This part of the compensation plan is the slow way to build the business. Yan. Okay. So, the slow way to build the business, and ito po ay clinip sa compensation plan for the person or for those people who cannot even recruit to. But, ito yon. Take note, pakinggan niyo maigi to. Ang matrix commission, no? Uulitin ko, is the slow way to build the business. Ngayon, sabi mo, Janet, kanina, ang papasok sa matrix ko, either galing sa akin or hindi. Saan manggagaling yon? It would be coming from your enroller tree. Now, I am here talking about yung ating matrix, yung present, no? But there are a lot of things to come. So I don't know what would happen with the big matrix, but I am not saying anything about it. Concentrate on the present matrix that we have. Wala pong nababago sa matrix natin. For now, it always follow the enroller tree. Tandaan nyo yan, no? Whether yung direct or indirect upline mo. Okay? So, wag ho natin i-misinterpret kasi ang daming nako-confuse doon sa sinasabing na press release na what was that? Worldwide matrix. So don't be confused about that, no? Focus on this one. We have our own matrix, and the matrix commission will come from those people who will pay the 9.95. Whatever the enhancement, whatever will happen in the future, please wait for the official announcement. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-release ng any information na walang official announcement si Ben Glinsky. Okay? Ayan, so dito tayo mag-focus. Okay, so ibig sabihin, Janet, kung hindi galing sa akin at galing sa itaas, mai-spill sa akin. Yes, ang tawag doon is spillover. Now, down? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so do not focus on this because, again, this is the slow way to build a business, and at the same time, spillovers are just bonuses. Inuulit-ulit ko po ito, no, para may retention sa inyo. I want to correct yung mga nakikita ko, naririnig ko sa social media complaining about this. Oh my God, like spillover. Napaka-big deal sa inyo to. There are just bonuses, okay? Malinaw yan. At wala ko kaming binago sa presentation since day one na nakikinig ako kay Coach Fernan and Coach Fertz. Okay? Mali lang ang pagkakadecode nyo ng message. That's why I'm taking this opportunity sa lahat ng mga nasa FB Live. Please pass the message that spillover are just bonuses. Mali lang yung pagkaka-interpret nila noon. Okay? Yan. So, eto po yun. Ganito ang itsura ng matrix natin. First level is 2, hindi 3, hindi 4. We're talking about matrix 3 dito, ha? Hindi yung unilevel 3. Okay, so 2. Paano, Janet? Yung pangatlo ko. Ito, ikaw yung enroller, di ba? So, 4 yung apat kaagad yung na-sponsoran mo directly. So, saan papasok yung pangatlo? Papasok siya sa matrix 3, tandaan nyo sa matrix 3, papasok yung pangatlo mo doon sa taong andun na. Okay? So, siya, ini-spill over mo siya dito sa first, no? Ayan. So, magbe-benefit siya, may 25 cents. Hindi niya dinirect sponsor. At ikaw, magbe-benefit din. Ganon. That's how the spillover works. Paano pag ikaw nag-aantay lang? Andiyan ka, nag-aantay ka. So, walang mapupuntan. Tapos, walang mapupunta sa'yo, di ba? Kung halimbawa ito siya, walang ini-sponsoran, hanggang dito lang, dalawa. No, ngayon, after ng dalawa, tumigil siya. So, yung pangatlo, walang may spill over dun sa una dahil hanggang dalawa lang siya. Ganon po yun, no? So, again, do not focus on this dahil ito po, bonus lang po. Actually, it will develop over time. Kaya nga tinawag na retirement money. Ayan. Okay, so I hope malinaw po yun, ha? Malinaw po sana yon. Okay. So, ganito po yun. Potential income. Potential. When you see the Webster Dictionary, potential means possibility. Yung pwede mong kitain, hindi siya guaranteed. Again, kung minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng communication barrier dahil mali yung pagkakaintindi natin doon sa actual na sinasabi. Okay, so ito yung pwede mo natin kitain. 2,047, no? Actually, pag hanggang 12, 1,000 something yan, di ba? And then pag level 12, yan, 2,047 hanggang level 13, pag bronze and silver ka na, 4,095. Level 14, 8,191.50. And pag diamond ka na, sa level 15, 16,383.50. Again, these are potential income. Paano ka kikita dyan? I-divide mo lang yan. 2,047.50 divided by 0.25. Then malalaman mo kung ilang tao meron yan. That's about like ilang tao yan, divide mo lang po yan ng 2,000, 1,000 something, no? Yan. So, ganun po yan. Ganun kadami ang tao na magkakaroon para ma-achieve mo yung potential income na yan. It will develop over time. Okay? Yan. So, ngayon, dito kayo mag-focus. Okay? Wealthy money or matching bonuses. Our business is to share Live Good. Yun talaga yung main business natin. Now, if you are that person na walang balak mag-share ng Live Good, then wala tayong pag-uusapang matching bonuses because matching bonuses is for those people who want to share the business with others. So, ibig sabihin yan, ikaw po yung nasa itaas, share mo sa 4 na tao, may sarili kang matrix, meron din silang sariling matrix. Siyempre, sabi, duplicate your upline. Ginaya ka po nila. So, yung 4 na po yan, merong sariling matrix. Ngayon, ang sabi ni company, sa matching bonuses, tatapatan namin ang 50% ng income ng direct mo. Okay? So, tatapatan niya ng 50% yung matrix income ng direct. Okay. So, ikaw po yan. Ito yung first na direct mo, na-excite ngayon. Ang matrix income niya, $1,000. Ang sabi ni Live Good, ma-matchan namin. Kaya nga sinabing tatapatan. Ang meaning ng matching dito, hindi yung match na pares, no? Match, which means tatapatan. Okay? Tatapatan namin ang 50% niyan. So, ilan ang 50% ng $1,000? $500. Second, direct sponsored. 50% ng 500, 250. Third, na directly sponsored mo, ang matrix income niya is, 100. 50%, $50. And yung pang-apat, $200. Ang kanyang matrix income, 50%, 100. Ganun lang po yan. The more directs that you have, the more matching bonuses you can have. So, depende yan kung i-work out ng direct mo. Ang example natin dito are your directs na nag-work out. Okay? Na ginagawa yung negosyo kagaya nyo po. Okay. So dito, ilan na kaagad? $900 sa 4 na yan. Ngayon, pag more directs, then more potential matching bonuses. Ang kagandahan ng matching bonuses natin, you could sponsor as many as you want, as many direct as you want, limitless, unlimited. Okay, yan. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang matching bonuses natin dahil meron pa tayong generational matching bonuses. No, paano yan, Janet? Mag-uumpisa yan pag silver rank ka. Okay, so go for silver rank, and then gold, and then platinum, and then diamond. So, pag silver ka, meron kang additional 10% to your generation, no? Buong angkan yan. buong angkan. So, ikaw yung una, first gen, you're personally direct, and then yung first gen mo, yung anak ng anak, yung apo mo, apo ng apo mo. Ayan. So, ganun po yan. No? Generation. Iba ang level, iba ang generation. Okay? So, eto po, pag silver po kayo, 10%. Pag gold, 5%. Pag platinum, 5%. Pag diamond, 3%. The whole generation, up to 5 generations, hanggang 5th generation po yan. So, mantakin nyo po kung gaano karami. Pag diamond, imagine, hanggang 5th generation, merong 3%. Iba pa, yung nakuha niya sa mga silver ranks na 10%. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Ganun po kadami yan, no? So, you are being paid multiple times dito sa matching bonuses. So, andito po talaga ang income na makakapagbago ng buhay natin on the matching and generational bonuses. Okay? Now, ganito yan. Para simpleng maintindihan nyo, ang matrix commission will help you, a matrix commission will help you pay your bills. Ang matching bonuses will change your life. No? Although eventually, yung matrix commission, makakapagbago din yan ng buhay, but it would take time. So if you want to go fast, if you want to go hard, if you want to play hard, then go for the matching bonuses. Dito po tayo mag-concentrate. That is sharing the business with everyone you know, or not even whom you know, pero yung kakilala ng iba. Okay? So I hope na iintindihan niyo po yan. So, yan ang ating matching bonuses. Yan. Retail commission, yan, from the sales. Saka na natin pag-usapan yan. May commissions din po kayo dyan every time people will come to your Live Good site, no? Sa mga customers yan, sa mga non-member. Yung talagang, i-try muna namin bago maging member. Yan. Ganun, 10 levels din yan. Following yung ating fast start, no? Depende uli sa rank. Siyempre, habang nagra-rank up ka, lumalaki yung iyong retail commission. Now, influencer bonuses, ito naman, if you have your social media account, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media that you have, meron kang influencer bonuses, then depende yan sa sales mo for the month. Mag-uumpisa yan sa $2,500 on top of the 50% na galing doon sa retail commission, additional pa ito until meron kang 50,000. So, mas maiintindihan niyo po yan later when we concentrate on the product, no? The product sales. Yan. Okay, customer acquisition bonuses. Alam niyo po, napaka-generous talaga ng company kasi di ba we don't earn from the purchase of our downlines. Pero si LiveGood, shinare niya yung first na ipo-purchase nung inyong direct downline, meron po kayong makuhang customer acquisition bonuses. 10% of that order is paid out as customer acquisition bonuses. So, syempre, following the fast start structure then, fast start structure, no? Yan, hanggang 10 levels din yan. Yan, depende ulit sa rank mo. And diamond bonus pool, we all want to be diamond, whether you like it or not, magda-diamond po kayo. It's just a matter of time. Ayan, so 2% naman yan ng sales from membership and product sales divided equally among diamonds. So get the total sales, kunin mo yung 2%, and then kung ilan ang diamonds, i-divide po nila. Ayan, okay. So, eto, rich and famous money, the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. We have 2 Crown Diamonds ngayon, no? Sa LiveGood, we have Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond worldwide. We have our very own Coach Fernand Santiago, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and second Crown Diamond worldwide. So, meron namang 0.5% naman yan na nanggagaling sa total sales from all membership and product sales, no? Ayan, so, kunin yung 0.5%, kung ilan yung total sales, divided by the 2 Crown Diamonds. Habang dumadami sila, well, dumadami din silang naghahati-hati po dyan. Okay. Ayan, so I'm almost done and I want to give you the top 5 reasons to join LiveGood. We just officially launched. Laging sinasabi ni Ben, we are just getting started. We haven't scratched the surface yet. We have not started the engine yet. Okay, so you have to trust Ben because he is a genius. Believe me, you just have to trust him dahil he is a master of the compensation plan, and he made sure that he will make he want to let the people win, especially naka-design ang marketing plan for the masses, for the everyday people like you and me, for those people na hindi kumita sa kanilang mga previous network marketing. If you belong to the 95% na hindi kumita sa mga previous network, then you have to join Live God because we just officially launched. Diba? Yan. Okay, number 2, we have the highest quality and very affordable health products. Gone were the days na sinasabi na naku, pag mahal, ibig sabihin high quality, at pag mababa at affordable, ibig sabihin lowest quality. Sorry, pero sa Live Good, we have, okay, keywords, the highest quality at the lowest price. Ayan, ipagkalat nyo yan. We have the highest quality products, herbicides free, pesticides free, toxin free, chemical free, but, di ba, with the lowest price. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. Number 3, we have a very powerful marketing system. Pag nag-enroll yung ating mga prospects, trinay nilang mag-pre-enroll, the system will follow it up. Meron tayong auto-responder, no? Ipa-follow up nila. So, if you could have the option na, naku po, FB ads, naku po, automation, hindi po kailangan yan. You have the option to do it, but then, we already have a powerful tool, no? A powerful marketing system. I am not saying na hindi kayo pwede, but syempre, pag nag-uumpisa kayo, sabi ko 3,000 o 140,000. A lot of us are doing it organically. Di ba? Si Coach Fernan, hindi yan gumamit ng FB ads, hindi yan gumamit ng automation. Mga diamond leaders natin, I don't think they use one. I never use also an automated system, no? So organic lahat. Bakit? Kasi nabibuild yung relationship mo, no? At mas maganda pag kilala mo, you know what? Dahil andun yung trust, mas personalized, di ba? Mas personalized. Maybe people will not join you for now, but then, alam niyo po yun, mas nabibuild yung relationship mo. And once na nabuild yung relationship mo, mas malalim, mas malawak, mas matagal ang pagsasamahan po natin. Ganun po yun, no? Yan. So, ako po, opinion ko po yun. I go for the organic because we already have a powerful marketing system. And the funnel system is about to launch. Whatever that is, you have to wait for Ben Glinsky to announce it. I am not in a position to say how the funnel works, but you have to wait for the official announcement. And then we have your tools. Andyan ang back office. Andyan lahat. Learn the tiles. Review everything para mas matutunan ninyo. And we have training every single day. Dito sa DMW family, sa International, we have English presentations with Kelly, Jessie, and of course, Ma'am Pinky dito sa loob. He is also one of the speakers sa International, no? And then sa Saturday training with Tim Miller, sa Monday training, ayan, andun po kami nila, Coach Fernan, and then Coach Bird. So, and then, of course, yung mga ibang leaders natin who are doing their own trainings, naku po, tignan nyo lang po sa social media, ang dami pong kinakandak na trainings dyan. Leverage on the trainings, no? Kung hindi pa po kayo masyadong equipped, go attend the training. Sa business presentation, leverage on this training. Kahit sinong speaker, I assure you, meron kayong mapupulot na maganda sa bawat speaker, no? Wag ko kayong, anong tawag doon, no? Hindi, dito ako. No, wag kayong mamili ng speaker. Everybody has their own niche. Everybody has their own style, no? At meron kayong mapupulot. Ako everyday, I listen first set at saka second set. No? Naging radyo ko na ang ating DMW Zoom presentation. Diba? Yan. Okay? So, ano pa? Mag-leverage tayo sa lahat ng trainings, no? Ayan, yun. Whether our training ng mga ibang leaders, training ng international leaders, naku po, develop a skill. Although, sa umpisa, well, you don't actually need the training, but then talagang habang tumatagal and you stand up to be a leader, then you need to develop a skill. You need to develop invest on yourself, develop something, develop a skill para talagang you would stand up as a leader. Kasi people will look up to you, yung team mo. So mas maganda if you will be the best information giver. And you can only do that when you discipline yourself para matuto. Diba? Ayan. Okay, number 4, a simple, powerful, and lucrative plan. Napakasimple. In my 20 years sa industriyang ito na yung pinakasimple, powerful, and very generous, and does not hurt people. Live Good is the company that makes a lot of sense. No? Ayan. Uulitin ko, Live Good is the company that makes a lot of sense. Ayan. And it helps people win. The everyday people. The everyday people meaning kahit na hindi sila networker, doable ang ating compensation plan. Okay, and 5th reason, we have a successful, fun, and winning team, our international leaders, ayan, and of course, our DMW family na dyan sa Pilipinas, and of course, worldwide, no? Ang dami-dami po tayong magkasama dito. Yan, okay, let's just be aligned with the mission, and then help us share the Live Good opportunity. Ayan, okay, oo, ang dami na ikama, talaga, kayo talaga, tatapusin ko na. Okay, are you an A, B, or C? A, you want to become an affiliate, a member of or a retail, but if you are that person who wants a legacy, who wants a retirement income, who wants an extra income, go for A. Yan. Okay, so, importante, start with the right foot. Binabanggit natin yan. Binanggit yan ni Coach Fernan kahapon. Believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Iwanan mo na yung fear and doubt mo dahil yan ang makaka-apekto sa'yo. Okay? It will affect your decision. It would affect how you create your goals. It would affect your result. It would affect you in everything. It would also affect your energy. No? Ayan. So, believe in yourself. Know your whys. Malalim dapat ang why mo. Bakit mo gagawin ng Live Good? Set your goals. When do you write it down? Write your goals. Wag lang mag-set. Write it down kasi iba yung energy ng sinusulat mo. When do you want to be bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond? And have that burning desire. Associate yourself with positive videos. Manood ka ng positive. Wag drama. Wag nang, alam mo, mahirap nang maging madrama, no? Kasi pag ginagawa natin ang Live Good, kasama na yung drama, kaya wag na kayong mag-create ng ibang drama. Ayan, so we are already dramatic sa ating Live Good business, but you can turn it so fun and happy. Yan. Okay, so commitment, sinabi din yan kahapon, binabanggit ni Coach Elmo, binabanggit ni Coach Fernan, ang level of commitment mo, dapat whatever it takes, you will do Live Good. Again, uulitin ko ha, whatever it takes, kahit pa maiwan ako mag-isa dito sa aking organization, I don't care. Why? Kasi alam ko that Live Good is a revolution. Live Good has a value. At pag alam mo ng offer mo, at pag alam mo na nasa company ka na merong value, you don't care because you know you are also creating a value. So stop talking with the people who don't listen to you. Stop talking with people who don't value you. Just detach. Okay? Ganun lang po yun. Yan. And of course, never listen to negative people. Ikaw ang nakarinig ng opportunity ito. Ikaw ang nakarinig ng compensation plan, ng products, how good the products are. Yung ating corporate team, gaano sila ka-visible, no hiding in the bushes. And they are very transparent, very honest. And they have this passion of creating, di ba, value to the whole world, no? To be healthy, to save money, and of course, to make money. Yan. Okay? So, I'm almost done. Ating mantra, which I always say, GPS lang, your roadmap to success is GPS. Get in, plug in, stay in, get in. Sa mga hindi pa nag-in, get in. Decide today, do not delay. Plug into the Zoom trainings, plug into your organization, plug into the system. No? Because once you plug in, staying in will be very easy. Sa mga hindi naka-plug in, nahihirapan silang mag-stay in. They look at it, the subscription, they look at it as a burden, as a pabigat, as a gastos. That's why it is very important among the three, GPS, yung P ang pinaka-importante, plug in. Plug into the system. Plug into the Zoom. Plug in to be disciplined, to commit yourself sa Live God. Ayan. Stay laser focused. Okay? Thank you, and get back with the person that invited you and let them know that you are an A. B or C? Well, optional, but I highly recommend A. Ayan. So thank you everyone. Salamat po, no? Ayan. So thank you very much. Again, let us get things done. Take massive action and do not sleep until you win. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ko pa sinasabing literal na huwag kayong matulog. What I'm trying to say is just be laser focused. Just be disciplined, be committed, sharing the mission and vision of Live God. That so that lahat po tayo maraming mag-share ng Live God. Again, you are for a triple win, right? Saving money, being healthy, and of course, making money. So maraming salamat. This is your Coach Janet saying, see you all at the top. Ayan. Okay.